Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tax in Excel. We'll start by setting up your spreadsheet correctly, which is crucial for accurate calculations. You'll learn to input all your income and expense data, ensuring everything is organized from the start. This foundational step makes the entire tax preparation process much smoother and less prone to errors, saving you valuable time. Next, we'll dive into the essential Excel formulas you'll need. The SUM function is perfect for totaling your income and expenses. We'll also explore how to use IF statements to apply different tax rates based on specific conditions. Finally, you'll see how to easily calculate percentages for various deductions and credits, simplifying complex computations. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Organizing your data efficiently is key. I'll show you how to create separate sheets for different income streams, keeping your workbook tidy. We'll also implement data validation to ensure consistent and error-free data entry. Plus, discover how to use Excel's what-if analysis tools to explore various tax scenarios and optimize your financial planning. Now, let's look at some advanced features. VLOOKUP can be incredibly useful for automatically finding tax brackets based on income levels. We'll also explore how pivot tables can summarize large amounts of tax data quickly, giving you clear insights. Remember, always double-check your formulas and data for accuracy. It's crucial for correct tax reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.